Daddy wants you.
What are you doing? You slide? Huh?
Go over here to the stairs, buddy.
He says, I'd take it my way. Look, it's a whole yard full of kids. There's a couple there. There's another one there. There's one there. And the boys there inside. Oh, look at you. You a big climber? You a climber? You made it! You made it! Why won't you go down forward? Are you a chicken? Are you a chicken? Where's your other croc?
Over there.
Oh, he got away from me. Where's mommy? Where's mommy? Oh, there's mama's butt. She'll appreciate that. That's funny.
Scoop. Show daddy that scoop. It doesn't open, buddy. He's showing you the scoop.
Oh. What is it?
Play with the scoop.
Yeah.
Right over the bird poop.
She's coming to get you.
Well, baby's on the move. Oh, she wants to be in this swing. That's new, because she's been big girl.
Right.
All right.